what I have learned is that in this life, humility is better than pride. To be humble, because it allows you to see, to witness that to be thankful is better than not being thankful. Because thankful allows you to see a part of your existence that you would have never seen. So these are the windows in our life to try every day. Simplicity is better than being complicated. Now, one's effort is to stay in that place. There is all too much in this world, everything, everything that pulls on you. It grabs you and says, no, come here, do this, be like this. But to remember that that's the true nature of a human being. It is natural for you to have a heart full of gratitude. It is natural for you to be kind. It is unnatural to be angry. It is natural to be kind. That's your true nature. It is natural for you to be humble. To be in pride is not natural. It's not real. Because when you go to that point where it is doubt instead of clarity, where it is pride instead of humility, things happen that you won't like. And when you are in the place where there is the kindness, where there is the joy, where there is the gratitude, then what will happen you will like. There will be a simplicity. So when you're with kindness, what does it feel? It feels comfortable. But when you are not in kindness, when you're not in that humility, when you're not in that clarity, when you're not in that understanding, when there isn't that openness, it doesn't feel comfortable. And now that uncomfort has been going on for such a long time that you start to get used to it. So then, the only time you realize you were uncomfortable is when you truly do become comfortable, and that's when you realize, oh my God, I didn't know. I got used to it. For what happens within a human being, it is when you come and you listen. And you listen about clarity, and you listen in this, like when you come here and you listen. That's when you realize, oh my God, I was way over there. So this is why it's important to stay in touch, to be plugged in, so that you don't get used to it. So you continuously in your life keep making that effort to be comfortable. That you do not tolerate the uncomfortableness. I am not a doctor. I'm not a doctor. But I can tell you that when it comes to the inner realm, you cannot start taking pills, not take care of what's wrong. And what is wrong is the understanding. What is wrong? That the clarity has been lost. When you bring in that clarity, there is a desire, there is a want to be comfortable. And those dynamics persist in our existence. When we lose that focus, we start to become uncomfortable, then everything else happens. And so my point is, don't lose that comfort. There are too many things in this world that will distract you. This is what you learn. And you always have something to be thankful of. when it seems like you have nothing to be thankful for, when everything hits the fan and it all goes crazy. I mean, really, really crazy. Like one of those days where you feel like you've been singled out for it. Every bullet, every gun, everything has got you in the sight. Find something to be thankful for. Find something to understand. And it will, like magic, reverse the trend. So, what I'm saying to you in a nutshell is don't compromise. If there is an uncomfortness, it's because there is a shift in focus on what you should be focusing on. And that reality remains constant with you, then there will be a comfort. And that's how you're supposed to be. That's how you are supposed to be. That is fundamentally your nature. Fundamentally, that's how you're supposed to be.